Tell if that may be Ed Downham's car. I can't tell for sure.
Ed who?
Well, the air show director, Ed Downham. That may be Ed Downham's car. Hang on a minute.
Downham's car?
Yeah, I don't know though. Hang on. Ed Downham, I can't tell. Where did you park your car, by the way?
Right up here next to the center.
I can't tell from here. That's not your car, is it?
No. Yeah, that's Air Show 1, yeah.
No. Oh, you can't. Oh. Well, I'm sorry.
Can I borrow your car, Rob?
Rob's car. Rob had to go to the bathroom right now. He'll be back. Too much.
He won't miss it.
Uh-oh, Robo-Saurus. Wow. Just make it last, Robo-Saurus.
This is going to be a little seared appetizer for me.
Oh, I may need a new paint job.
Yeah. We saw what you were driving, though.
I think I saw it said government vehicle on it.
It'll taste better
What
that
does
way.
that mean?
Don't tell anybody.
Government vehicle? That means it's overpriced, probably. But go ahead and eat it.
Well, I'm
There you
hungry.
go. Chow down, Robo-Saurus. Chow down. Oh, yeah. How do you do that, darling? Oh. Is it yummy?
I'm draining the gasoline from it right now.
It's like draining the blood.
See?
Yes.
I heard it.
Wow. You learned table manners. Did you ever read Emily, what's her name?
Yes. I remember.
Remember that book, yeah.
Emily Brontosaurus.
Yes, Emily Brontosaurus taught you those.
Lots of dinosaur etiquette.
You just ripped the roof right off of that poor Ed Downham's car. I can't believe. Look at all those ramp passes that you've just eaten up in there too. My goodness, so sad.
Well, I'm hoping to use the chalet passes that are in the briefcase.
Yeah.
For lunch tomorrow.
For lunch tomorrow.
I'll be back.
Well, look at that. I've heard that before. Oh my goodness. Now what are you going to do?
I'm going to rip it apart.
No, you're not going to rip it apart. Come on.
Oh, listen, of course
Oh my goodness. Wow. Robo-Saurus just ripped that car apart. Look at this. Incredible. Robo-Saurus. I'll take you dancing anytime. My goodness.
I like mine medium rare.
Okay, well don't burn it too badly. There you go. Wow. Oh, look at that.
And by the way, I do s'mores for dessert.
I can tell that. Wow, Robo-Saurus. Wow! What do you think so far of my prom date Robo-Saurus here with us? And don't you worry, Robo-Saurus, I have a few more cars for you to chew up tonight.
I hope so.
Yeah.
This is pretty small.
It is kind of small. Don't drop it, though. That wouldn't be right. Uh-oh. This looks like your last big bite. Whoa! Robo! You just dropped the car!
Oh, darn.
Oh, my goodness.
I didn't mean to do that.
Well, let's see now. What do you think about